The 100% success rate Bitcoin buy signal is flashing yet again. Back in January, which is the last time that this buy signal flashed, I told you guys about it, did a whole video and everything. What happened after that? Bitcoin went up over 52%. So hopefully you guys listened. If not, you might be in luck because the buy signal has flashed once again. What's up guys, my name's Jay and welcome to Bitcoin Daily. In today's video, we will be breaking down the buy signal that's flashing on the Bitcoin chart. We'll break down the indicator, how it works, and why the signal has been so successful in the past, including back in January of this year. So the indicator is known as the hash ribbons indicator. On TradingView, just go up to indicators, search for hash ribbons, and it's the first one right here. Once added to your chart, it'll pop up on the bottom just like this. This indicator is based off Bitcoin's hash rate, which is the measure of computing power being used on the Bitcoin network. The higher the hash rate, the more powerful the network is, and the more secure it is against potential attacks. When the hash rate is high, it means that a lot of miners are actively participating in the network. And when it's low, it means that there's less miner participation. Hash rate can also be used as an indicator of interest and adoption of Bitcoin. As more miners join the network, it means that more people are investing in Bitcoin, and as a result, the hash rate increases. As you can see in the chart, we're currently at all-time highs in Bitcoin's hash rate, meaning that interest and adoption of Bitcoin has continued to go up. Now, the hash rate alone doesn't generate the buy signal on the hash ribbons indicator. The buy signal is based on the relationship between the hash rate, Bitcoin's price, and its moving average. When looking at the chart, you can see that we have different colored dots. This has to do with that relationship between those three components. So let's dive into the specific process of how the hash ribbons indicator generates a buy signal. So the buy signal is generated in three stages. First, we have the miner's capitulation stage. This is when the 30-day simple moving average of the hash rate falls below the 60-day simple moving average and the hash ribbon chart turns red. This stage indicates that miners are losing interest and confidence in the network, and it's a bearish signal for the market. Next, we have the end of the capitulation stage. This is when the 30-day simple moving average of the hash rate rises above the 60-day simple moving average, which creates this green dot, and the hash ribbons chart becomes green. This stage indicates that miners' interest and confidence in the network is recovering, and it's a bullish signal for the market. Finally, we have the recovery of Bitcoin's price momentum stage. This is when the 10-day simple moving average of the Bitcoin price rises above the 20-day simple moving average. The blue dot lights up with a signal to buy. This stage indicates that price momentum is recovering, and it's a bullish signal for the market. It's worth noting that all three stages must occur in sequence for the buy signal to be generated. The blue buy signal only flashes when the network hash rate and the price momentum are both recovering. Now that we understand the process of how the hash ribbons indicator generates a buy signal, let's take a look at how it's done historically, including how it performed when it gave its last signal this year back in January. So the last time it gave us that buy signal was back here in early January, and as you can already see, Bitcoin's price went up over 52% from that buy signal. You can see that last year in the summer it hit capitulation stage and it hit stage 2, but it never hit that stage 3, which is why it did not give a buy signal during this time here, which ended up being good because as you guys can see, the price went down. If we look back to August of 2021, we can see that we got a buy signal there, and Bitcoin's price went up 57% after that buy signal. If we look back to November of 2020, when we got a buy signal here, you can see that Bitcoin's price went up 235%. And if you keep going back on Bitcoin's chart, following these buy signals, you're going to see over and over again, Bitcoin's price has always gone up after the buy signal. And 8 out of 11 times that this buy signal has happened, the buy signal from the hash ribbons was indeed an indicator of the macro bottom of the Bitcoin price. Including in January, the buy signal from the hash ribbons indicator was indeed an indicator of the macro bottom of the Bitcoin price. So as you guys can see, the hash ribbons indicator is a powerful tool for identifying potential bottoms and finding good times to add to your Bitcoin long-term positions. I have alerts set up on this indicator on the weekly time frame, and I recommend you guys to set it up as well. This has gone 11 for 11, a 100% success rate. So when this indicator has flashed a buy signal, it's always been a good time to add to your long-term position. If you guys found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. And before you go, if you guys are looking to find the next 100x crypto, I've found a way to leverage millions of dollars in research. In this recent video, I show you how to leverage the research and investments of 3 of the world's leading venture capitalist firms in crypto. Just click the video on the screen right now. I'll see you guys there. Peace and love.